Hi, welcome to ClareDB TV. Today we are going to easily improve your handwriting and improve your mental health at the same time. It really is easy to do. It just takes a wee bit of practice, but you can download worksheets for both right-handed and left-handed people at claredb.com/HW. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. If you're trying to improve your handwriting because you want to learn hand lettering and be good at hand lettering, it is not a prerequisite. You do not need good handwriting to become a good hand letterer. It is more like drawing, which is great news for you. But first, I want you to practice the alphabet over and over again at the moment, because you will easily be able to see which letters you've problems with and which ones you want to change and which to practice more of. Here are a few different ways to practice. Draw shapes and lines repetitively. So lines, circles, triangles, these are all going to be excellent for building muscle memory, which will improve your doodling skills, it will improve your handwriting skills, and it has extra benefits in your brain, so it's excellent for your mental health as well. And now something very important. When we write, you don't write from your wrist, write from your shoulder. And you can improve your muscle strength in your shoulder by performing stretches like this lovely lady on screen, performing shoulder rolls by lifting your shoulders up to your neck and round your ears, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. It really helps to just limber up, and practice movement drills like these. I have sped them up like nobody's business for the sake of the video. Not that fast normally. Performing repetitive tasks like practicing alphabets is great for your brain. While practicing, your brain enters an alpha state, which allows your subconscious to process thoughts, events and interactions and figure out how you feel about them. There are many benefits to keeping your brain in the alpha state. Thank you caba.org.uk. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety. So please download the free worksheets, claredb.com/HW. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, comment and share and help me spread the word. Bye!